Another great beach, free beach in Sardinia.
Cala Cartoe in Dorgali is a stunning beach tucked away on the east coast of Sardinia.
Another day, another beach. Wow. And there's a little kiosk there. I believe they only take cash. The beautiful beach in Sardinia. This one was not too far from our Airbnb, like 20 minutes. But yes, some crazy roads. But we make it. That's what matters.
Hello, hello, hello.
Do you like this beach?
So far it's my favorite here in Sardinia.
Yeah. But it's our third day only. And we have to keep the nicest thing for the end.
Its pristine white sand and crystal clear turquoise waters make it an ideal spot for swimming, snorkeling, and relaxing. The surrounding cliffs provide a picturesque backdrop with their rocky formations and lush vegetation. Whether you're looking for some peace and quiet or want to join in on some fun activities like paddle boarding or kayaking, Cala Cartoe has something for everyone.
Another great beach, free beach in Sardinia.
Beautiful one.
This beach is only 20 minutes by car from Cala Gonwan village, and there is no entrance fee.
Come closer to this rock formation. Interesting. Another beautiful spot at this beach. This is on the side of this beach in the rocky area. Nice place for a picture.